After we have studied the basic concepts that are the fundamentals of Gatling, it is necessary to study the architecture of the future generator and how these concepts will be implemented. The load generator is a jar file that will be executed in the JVM. We will build it using SBT assembly command because the whole project is written in the Scala language. The first item is responsible for building the project. Run the command and get the jar file. After that, we will launch the generator using pre-prepared files. The startup files will contain the name of the scenario that we want to call, a link to the login configuration, a link to the file that defines the duration of the test, and parameters that affect request rate. After we have run the scenario and the load generator has initialized all the necessary parameters, the eShop testing scenario is launched as an open or closed system, depending on what we have selected. After that, this scenario is initialized with the injecting of virtual users into work. To do this, the scenario creator object will be used, which is responsible for creating the scenario, as well as the scenario injector object, which is responsible for injecting users into work. The injection of users will be carried out gradually. First, we will inject them linearly as it is indicated in the diagram. And then there will be a period in which, depending on the selected model, users will be injected into work with a constant rate, maintaining a certain level of load, so it will be if we choose an open model. Or the injection of new users will be stopped, and already injected users will continue their work, so it will be if a closed model was selected. Each of the virtual users will execute a chain of requests. To do this, an object has been created that contains the sequence of HTTP requests required to create an order. These HTTP requests are implemented in objects that are grouped in the requests package. For HTTP requests of the POST type, the templates will be used. Templates will be filled with variables. These variables will be obtained from previous requests or randomly generated on the fly. A special object is responsible for random generation. After the templates are filled, they are inserted into the body of POST requests. And for GET requests, variables are inserted in the URL address. And then the requests are sent to the testing object over the HTTP protocol. During the entire duration of the test, the load generator outputs metrics using the Graphite protocol. And at the end, generates a report.